Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add friends on the Yubo app. Now if you want to add friends on the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Yubo app on device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Yubo app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you won't be able to add friends on the Yubo app. So this is the home page of Yubo, where you will see various options at the bottom taskbar as well as the option like swipe and near you at the very upper taskbar. Now to add the friends on Yubo, there are various methods depending on your preference. So you may simply swipe right to the person if you want to add them as your friends, and you may also add friends by tag. So you may click on the option of live at the very bottom right and click on the option of your profile icon, and you may also add various tags on your profile icons. So if you click on the option of settings like icon at the very top right, you'll see the option of swipe settings. So from here you just need to click on the option of preferred gender. So if you select the gender of male or female, you'll only be able to see the gender like that. And if you select the age from here, so you may simply swipe the age like this, and you may simply select the preferred age like this, and you may also select the location, so country of the location and all of it. So you may also add friends by tag. So that's it. That's how you can add the friends on your app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.